Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to create monochromatic colors in Photoshop. So ingredients in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now open the panel of first gradient, then on the panel of properties. Now properties, may open it. Now properties. Okay, now gradient tool, drag it to the as in gradient tool. I'll make monochromatic color. Monochromatic colors are from darker to lighter purple. If you can't see from here purple color, select from here preset, go to preset and select the purple color. Now hold the Alt key on the circle mark to make a copy of it. Now select the color, double click on it, make it much lighter than previous one. Now hold the Alt key on this circle mark and make drag it to the right. It will make copy of it. Now click on it, double click on it. Now select the lighter color than previous one. Now select this one. Now this, let me select it first. Let me delete this one. Now these are called as monochromatic colors, from darker to lighter purple. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial. But do subscribe my channel. That was Wasimullah Graphics and Architecture. Have a good day. Bye.